World Braille Day is celebrated on 4th January every year across the world to commemorate the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, the inventor of Braille. Objective. The objective of the day is to spread awareness of the importance of Braille as a means of communication. Braille and its importance. Braille is a tactile writing system which uses 6 dots to represent each alphabet and number. The dots also represent musical, mathematical, and scientific symbols. It uses bumps and indentation on a surface to represent letters which can be recognized by touch. Before Braille invented this form of communication, visually impaired people used to read using the Hoy system, which embossed Latin letters on a thick paper or leather. This was a complicated system that required much training and only allowed people to read, not write. Louis Braille, a Frenchman, invented it in 1824. Born on January 4, 1809 in France, Louis lost his sight after an accident in his father's harness shop at the age of 3. He later attended the National Institute for Blind Children in Paris. There, his interest in music benefited him when at the age of 10 he met Charles Barbier, a captain in Napoleon's army. The captain taught the students about a communication code using dots called night writing. Combining his knowledge of music and the inspiration of code communication, Louis Braille invented a 6-dot fingertip reading and writing system in 1824 when he was only 15 years old. Louis died in 1852. 2 years before, France's Royal Institute for the Blind Youth adopted a Braille curriculum. By 1916, schools in the United States were teaching Braille to their blind students. While there are now several different versions of Braille, Louis Braille's code was arranged in small rectangular blocks called cells with raised dots in a 3x2 pattern. Each cell represented a letter, number, or punctuation. Since Braille is a code, all languages and even certain subjects like mathematics, music, and computer programming can be read and written in Braille. Braille system is important in the context of education, social inclusion, freedom of expression and opinion, as noted in Article 2 of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. History. According to the World Health Organization, around 36 million people globally live with blindness and around 216 million people have moderate to severe visual disability. The people with visual disabilities are more likely to experience poverty, inequality, poorer health, and face barriers to get proper education and employment. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which was adopted in 2006, aims to secure the rights and well-being of persons with disabilities. The UN General Assembly proclaimed January 4 as World Braille Day in November 2018, recognizing that the fundamental freedoms relies on an inclusive written promotion.